Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're taking the engine off our airplane, and here it is, just sitting on the little roll-around dolly. And we're going to be putting it in a crate and sending it off to Lycon. By the way, this crate that we're going to build, Lycon said they'd never received one like it. They liked it, and they used it to send it back. So stay tuned while we have some more fun making this crate. So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So you've just taken the engine off your airplane, and here it is sitting on the roll-around dolly, and now we have to figure out how we're going to put it in a box. And not like you just go down to the UPS store and get a large engine box, put it in there and mail it to the engine overhauler. We're going to have to build our own crate, and we're going to start with some basic plywood, and that's going to be our foundation, and from there we're going to build up to protect and surround it. So let's start the process of taking this engine and putting it into a box. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to block off the engine. We don't want moisture and everything getting in and causing any further corrosion to the engine. So we want to block everything so nothing can hitch a ride in our engine, so to speak. So we're blocking off all the exhaust ports of the engine. The intakes will stay on. And then we're going to move around to the accessory portion of the engine case, and we're going to start blocking off all of those. And we're using plywood for this. It's easy to work with. You can drill holes in it. And then, again, you're blocking all the holes into the engine, so you're not going to have any intrusion. And then once you have all that, then you can begin to worry about securing it to the base and getting it ready for shipment. Now let me add, blocking all these ports, it's not required. They get engines without them all the time. We were just going through the exercise because once we had a pattern, we could make more for other engines because we do ship a lot of engines out for overhaul. But then once you get those plugs made, then it's a matter of now you're just going to start blocking it up on the engine. You're going to seal all those access ports, and now you're going to worry about securing it to the base of the platform, and let's cover that for you here. Now, basically securing it to the base, we want to have it level and secure. So we were looking for any place, like where the carburetor for the HA6 bolts onto the Tiger engine. We built a block of wood that goes down to the base and secures that to the platform so it can't shift there. So that secured the carburetor side, and then we had to worry about securing the front side. And the front side we did with a block of 4x4 underneath the starter post, as well as the boards that come down from the rocker cover areas of the engine, and that goes down to blocks on the bottom. So that engine is secured to the base of the plywood, and it's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to rock. It's not going to tip. You could flip the crate over and the engine's going to stay in place. So anyway, that's how you build a case to ship it off. This was one of our exercises of something that we did. We hope you found all of this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Well, here you are. The little beauties are just having fun with my socks and aircraft spruce paper on the kitchen tile floor, and on a nice snowy day here in Ohio. So we thought we'd give you this little treat. Please enjoy their fun and shenanigans.